In this question, we need to find the projection of A on B, and also we need to find the component vector of A along B. So let us first find the projection of A on B. Let us first find the projection of A on B, which is nothing but A dot B upon B magnitude. So A dot B is nothing but just multiply its coefficients. 1 into 4, it becomes 4. Minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, plus 7. By magnitude of B is 16 plus 16 plus 79. 49. It becomes 12 plus 7, that is 19 upon under root 81, that is 9. So this becomes the projection of vector A on B. So the next question, that is component vector of A along B, which is nothing but projection of A on B multiplied with B cap. So it becomes 19 by 9. B cap is nothing but B vector upon its magnitude. So it becomes 19 by 9. B magnitude is 9. B vector is 4I cap minus 4J plus 7K cap. So finally it becomes 19 by 81 into 4I cap minus 4J cap plus 7K cap. So this is the required answer to this question. In this question, vector A, vector B, and vector C are given, and we need to find the internal angle of triangle between A and B. So, just to see whether C is a resultant of A plus B or whether we can use triangle law of addition or not, first let's add both A and B vectors. We'll get it as 2 root 3 K cap. But whether C is minus 2 root 3 K cap. According to this, it is minus C vector. So if this is A vector, this is B vector, according to the triangle law of addition, it should be in this way. But now here it is minus C. So obviously it will be in the same order of A and B. Now we need to find the angle, internal angle of triangle between A and B, that is theta. So to find this, first we need to have co-initial vectors. So to do that, let's extend this A vector over here. It becomes A only. Now this A and B vector becomes co-initial vectors because they have same initial point. Now this angle becomes pi minus theta. So now let's find out cos of pi minus theta is nothing but A dot B divided by its both the vectors of magnitude. Now A dot B is nothing but 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, plus root 3 into root 3, that is 3, divided by its magnitude, that is 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 3. It becomes 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So here pi minus theta is cos inverse of half. Pi minus theta is pi by 3. From here, theta becomes 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 is the internal angle between A and B. In this question, it is given that sum of the vectors is equal to 0 and magnitude of all the three vectors are given, and we need to find the angle between A and B. So The summation is given. We can write it as a plus b is nothing but minus c vector. When you do squaring on both sides, it becomes magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus 2 times of a dot b. On the RHS side, you'll get the magnitude of c square. Now, substitute the values, we'll get it as 3 square 9, b square 25, 2 times of a dot b is nothing but magnitude of a, that is 3, magnitude of b, that is 5, into cos theta, and magnitude of c square is 49. Now, 30 into cos theta is equal to 15. You'll get it as cos theta as 1 by 2. Therefore, theta will be pi by 3. Hence, the angle between A and B is pi by 3, that is 60 degrees.